Golden's bed unboxing, big girl bed. So what we have is the Best Way 20-inch twin size air mattress bed with her Bluey. She's into the Bluey. And bingo. So we have the Bluey twin size three-piece twin sheet set and the Bluey throw. So we're gonna open up and set up. So first we're gonna open up the box. Opening that. Box and move the box. Now we're gonna have this. Open it all up. Nope. Maybe later.
Wow.
As you see, it's quite long. Somewhere it has a built-in pump, so you don't need to buy extra, nothing added, needed. You know, mommy? Mommy, okay, I need that side. We're gonna blow it up. Right here has your compartment. You open it, and it comes with a built-in pump. You just have to plug in. Okay. And open up the bed set here. And this bed set comes with a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and one pillowcase. So here's the fitted sheet. Bluey and bingo on it. And what we're going to have here is a flat sheet. And a pillowcase, which we're going to put on the pillow right now. Have mommy do it. Okay, the bed's almost ready. Put on your pillow. There we go. Here's the pillow. And we're going to get the fitted sheet. Put it on. This. On that side. Put it on that side. Here, right here. Put it on. Alright. And as you see, the bed is now up, inflated. Now all we have to do is put on the fitted sheet. Wait, baby. Here, put this on. Come on, help mommy.
No, what is this?
Oh, that's the fitted sheet, baby. And get your pillow. Here, put your pillow right here.
Okay.
Put it right here. Yep.
I believe this.
Yeah, we'll leave that. Alright. And put on the flat sheet on top.
This one.
Okay, get your blanket. You know, put your blanket in.
I want.
Okay.
I almost do. Hey. Okay. Oh.
And then put on the blanket.
Oh.
Okay.
It's better. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's a
Like your Bluey bed?
No.
Yeah.
It's more than.
It's warm. Bluey and Bingo. So that'll do it for us tonight. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Say bye.